How to pay home credit and BPI online banking. Now, this video is going to be very straightforward and easy to follow. So of course, the very first thing that you want to do is to pull up or access your BPI account through the application or via their official website using your laptop or PC. Now log in using your user ID and password. And then if you haven't added home credit as one of your payee on your BPI online banking, then you can actually do that. So for you to be able to add it, just simply go to pay bills and then choose on add payee, locate home credit, and then by there you just have to input your home credit credentials such as your account number and so on and so forth. And once you have successfully added home credit as your payee, then you should be able to pay any amount that you do have from home credit. Simple as it is. So that is how you pay with home credit and BPI online banking.